Hi guys, welcome back to Natalie's Life Edition. Today is Sunday, and today I received a package that I was supposed to get on the 4th of July. Amazon shipped it in 2 days, guys. Can you believe it? So I'm in the process of improving my home, so because I had some old things that I wanted to switch out because my living room was mostly white and turquoise, as you guys see, but because of Eden I can't have whites anymore. And also I just wanted to upgrade some of my furnitures because they were looking a bit old and I was just bored of the house. Since I've been quarantined for so long, I realized that I'm not liking my house anymore, and that's not good. So I decided to switch some things up. So guys, I am here. I'm all dressed because I did a conference call earlier. I was conference call, but anyways, oh, my lashes are falling. Anyways, it's fine. So I'm gonna flip my camera so that you guys can see what I received. So guys, this is my old TV stand. As you guys can see, it's a bit it's not even a stand. Actually, it was a bookcase and I turned it into my TV stand. So now I'm gonna upgrade from that to this. So that's what it looks like. So this is what I'm doing. So this is the first step, then I'll move on to the second, third, and fourth step until it's all complete and it looks just like this. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna fit on the first piece, which is C and D. And see, I'm just fitting it like this. Put the top, put the bottom. So guys, this is how I did it first, but I gotta undo it. I thought I was smart. I wasn't going by the instruction. So these actually go on the very top of it. That makes more sense because I was like, how am I going to insert the other pieces to it? So anyways, I'm going to undo it and come back to you. Okay guys, so I made a mistake again. So apparently this outer one right here is supposed to have a longer extension. So I screwed on the wrong one on both of them. So I'm gonna take it. This is how it's supposed to look. Wait, so when it's turned like this, something is supposed to connect up here. So the longest leg out here, and this is the inner, and then the outer. So this is how it's supposed to look. Okay guys, so this is how far I've been. So I place that square board, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do it because I don't want you guys to be left behind, just in case you want to purchase this thing from Amazon. So basically we have the two pieces, piece 1, piece 2, and then they said connect the inner legs. So I connected this inner leg with the inner leg and I left the two outer legs. So that's what it looks like right now. So you see it's coming together. Now I'm gonna add these 4 legs. 1, 2, 3. One is missing. 4 legs to it. So I'm gonna add it and come back to you guys. Oh, well, let me just show you how I add leg number 1 first. Okay, make sure all is stable. Oops. I'm trying to do it fast because I turned off the AC so that I don't get any feedback. Don't want that noise in the background. So that's why I turned off my AC, and it's really hot in here. And so basically you just turn until you can't turn anymore. Like now, like so. So I'm gonna just install the 4 the remaining 3 and how it looks like right now. That's how it looks, and now I'm gonna add that top piece to it. So stay tuned. So guys, I put it on. Now I am gonna just put these slots right here. I'm just gonna put it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm just gonna put them in, and let me show you how I'm gonna do that. Okay, that was the problem. Let me show you how I'm gonna do that. so you guys can see all the mistakes that you can possibly make. I am not a person that installs things, you know, because I've always had brothers to do that for me. I've never installed, I've never set up anything before. I don't even know how to work the remote sometimes, the TV sometimes, so you should know. So yeah, that's how you do it, and I'm gonna do it too. All 6. Wow, look at the finished results, guys. Like, did I do that? OMG. Wow. So let me just go and show you guys the before TV stand. It's so childish. So this is what I got. It's the Furinno fits budget TV stand, and let me tell you, this thing, it says it takes 20 minutes, approximately 20 minutes to install, and let me tell you, I did it within 15 minutes. I had my stopwatch going. I did it within 15 minutes, and I did make errors. So if a guy does this, I'm sure he'll get it done in 10 minutes. And guess what? For all those single mothers out there, for all those women in the home that we have problems, we always want our husbands or fiancés or boyfriends or beloveds to install stuff for us. When you order this, you don't need any tools. All you need is your hands, so you can do it. It's very quick and simple. This right here is a bomb. It's a great deal for $33 on Amazon, guys, and I had it in 2 days. Like, shout out to Amazon, you know, they did good delivery. So I'm just gonna go ahead and move the TV, get that old stand out of the way, and show you guys exactly how it looks, the upgrade looks. Okay, all right. So I'm just gonna move the old TV from here. I forgot that it's connected to okay, and let me get this out of the way. And one thing about this old TV stand, it's so heavy, like if it falls on anyone or anything, it will just crush it. So I'm happy. Only because I think that it will be taller than that, but I'm gonna go get the legs for my TV stand, like the legs for my TV, and that might pump it up a little bit.